Hi. Welcome back to Good Old RVing. Welcome back to Good Old RVing. And today I'm going to be showing you a video on what I had to do to fix my Dometic 300 series toilet again. Replacing this little valve right here. This is the one I replaced. It lasted all of maybe a month, and I don't know, I was very disappointed with it. I ended up buying a new one made by Dometic. Okay, the other one I got was made and sold by somebody else, but this one is actually made by, the new one was actually made by Dometic. So with that said, yeah, check it out. It's on the list of RV add-ons and modifications, repairs, and it's also on the list of Good Old RVing repairs. And so hopefully I'll have a lot of good information for you. And so I hope you enjoy it. Stay tuned and let's get into it. Okay, as you can see in the toilet right here, you can see how there's still a little bit of water coming in the sides, but that's just pressure releasing. This is where the pressure is right here. Let me zoom in on this a little bit. There you go. Okay, you see how it's a 0. Alright, so watch what happens when I turn the foot valve on, or when I turn the valve on. Let me back out a little bit. Because the foot flusher is broke. I'll step on it a couple times. Okay, you see? It just keeps letting water in. Okay, so I'm going to turn the water back off. See it back at 0. I'll use the foot pedal, reduce pressure. Okay, even though your water's turned off, you're still going to have some residual. Okay, so as you know, I already turned off the water, and I already drained it, as you saw earlier. And now I'm going to take off these other couple clamps that I have. And before you do any of this work, be sure you have towels available, because water will come out, so you want to be able to catch that water. Okay. Okay, so you take this clamp off here. See, I always do this one first because it's more secure. It's easier to work on while it's already in on the valve. Okay, we just go in here. Pull it off. Just like that. See how the water just wants to come out, and you let it. Okay, now the next thing is going to be this one here, which should only be hand tight because it has an O-ring inside of it. See the O-ring or the seal? So that's okay, just like that. Then you have two little screw. Well, I had to put this extra screw in here because it wasn't flushing at all, so I had to support it up to the toilet. to make it be supported. And you see, without it, look at that, just too much wiggle room. Hopefully that's not going to be an issue. Okay, and then we got this one down here on the opposite side. So I just finished taking that out. Should only be hand tight now. Okay, boom, we're done. Okay, there that is. Okay, now with these, you just push them down and they should just come out. Like that. Okay. So obviously it just wasn't working right. So let me try the new one, see what happens. Okay, this is how they come. They have, see how it's already sealed inside there? It has a mesh screen. I don't know if you can see that in focus or not. It has a mesh screen, so nothing should able to, unless it's real tiny and it's enough just to ruin the seal. But I got 3 filters on my water system, so I don't see that being a problem. Anyway, see about getting this one in. Okay, what I want to do on this, I want to put the bottom in first. Kind of, you got to go straight in like that. Did you hear it clip? See, but see the bottom? Yeah. Okay, but on this one, if I remember right, I had, I think there was one hole on the top and one on the bottom to put screws in. Let's see. Yeah, here's one right here. Okay. Put a nut driver on there. Or in this case a socket. Get that baby on there. Okay, that one started. If I remember right, there's another one over here at the top. So I'm going to try to get that one on there. Should be right here. Oops. This is where it should be. Put my phone down a minute. Give me this guy. Much tighter. Let me tighten up the bottom one. Okay, see? Okay, much better. Okay, so as you can see, there's no shaking or wobbling going on. It's tight. So then you just put this on. You don't need tape because it has that rubber seal in there. You just got to be sure you put it on straight. You don't want to cross thread it, whatever you do. Okay. Okay, I think that's it. We'll see in a minute. Then you get this baby back on right here. Okay, put that all the way down. Oops. Be sure you put the clamp in the right direction. Should be like this. Yeah. Okay, clamp that baby in. It's appearing to be the wrong threads, but let me check. Turn some water on. Okay, flush. Okay, I'm not liking this. It's snug and it's not leaking. But like I said, I'm not liking it. I think the threads are different. Interesting. It worked on this one, but I'm just not happy with it. I'll have to look into that, make sure that I got the right threads. Okay, so that's how you change your toilet valve. If there's any questions or anything or comments, please leave a comment and I'll be happy to get back with you on it. Okay, it's holding water. No more water's coming out. I could fill the toilet bowl without it opening the valve. Just like that. Okay, it's fixed. However, that one fitting I might have to change if it's the wrong size, and so this is where I'm going to stop right here. Okay, so if the video was helpful, please like and subscribe. Leave a comment if you have any questions, and y'all have a great day.